Hi my honeys, it's Erica here from Peony and Honey, and I wanted to show you a cute little hair tutorial very quickly today. Whether you have a holiday party coming up or maybe a New Year's event and you want your hair to look nice and cool and slicked back, or you're on day 2 or 3 hair and your hair is starting to look oily and you need something cute to do with it, this is gonna be for you. It's called a pull through braid and it's pretty simple to do. If I can do it, literally anyone can because I'm not good at this kind of stuff. So I've sectioned my hair, I've parted it down the middle, not sectioned, I parted it down the middle, and I'm taking this top section right here. I'm gonna take my brush and smooth it out in the back. I still want my part in the front, but I don't want a big bump in the back. And I'm taking a hair elastic, a black one, because my hair is dark. If you have lighter hair, you may want to use a lighter hair elastic or clear. And I am tying my hair back like so. So now I just have the one ponytail. I'm gonna take my trusty little clip it on the top of my head, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing I just did with the section below. So another section before your ears. You can do small or large sections, it's really up to you. Will affect the look of the braid, but not by a lot. And then what I'm gonna do is take this top section, split it in half, like this, and then pull that back one up to the top and clip that off. So now I just have these two pieces from the very top braid, and I'm going to add them in to my next section. So let me get, I go like at this point I go right above my ears on like the third one. So now I have those two pieces in with some more hair. Another hair elastic and tie it off. Like that. Now I'm gonna take this section, put it down, and I'm going to split that in half and pull that bottom section up to the top and use those two pieces in my next section. Of course, I have earrings in the way. Let me actually turn around and show you so you can kind of get a feel for it. So here's the two pieces that I had from the previous braid. I'm gonna take more of my hair in, leaving some at the nape of my neck, and put another hair elastic in. Now I'm going to take the section that was up at the top, which is here, divide that into two, and pull that bottom up, clip that away, and then take the very last section of the bottom of my hair and put it in with that. Tie another hair elastic at the nape of my neck. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to do the rest from the front now, so you'll be able to see how I kind of attack it from the front. So here is the top section. I'm dividing it into two, pulling this section up and tying it off. Now don't worry if you have layered hair like I do and you have some sections like kind of falling out. The idea of this look is for it to look slightly messy. If you wanted to at the very end, you can go through and kind of bobby pin some sections in or hairspray some pieces that kind of have gone awry. But for now, I'm just kind of going with my layers of my hair. Taking these two, splitting, going underneath, another hair elastic. Gets easier when you get towards the front because you're not having to add more of the hair at the bottom of your hair with those two pieces. Okay, doing it again, taking the section, splitting it in two, going underneath. I've run out of black hair bands, but we'll just pretend they are all black. These are clear, guys. You're gonna repeat this until you get to like where you want to be the bottom of your hair, or basically, like for me, is where I'm gonna like basically run out of hair. I think I should be able to get this one and maybe one more in before I'm done. Excuse me. Okay, last one. I don't know about you guys, but the weather has been so darn dry, and like my house has been really dry because of the heat, and I am dying, man. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is take one hair elastic because I have 2 remaining little sections, and I'm just going to tie them together. See, there's 2 little guys. Tying them together right now. See, I have these like pieces that like to come out. I actually think it really looks cute with the braid, so I'm not really super worried about them. If you hate that kind of look, you can definitely try to, you know, pin them into the hair. So before I address the back, I'm gonna kind of rough up the front a little bit. This is how I get my little front wispy pieces to fall. I just kind of am rough with the front. Pull some by my ear. I think that looks pretty cute. Just so it doesn't look like I really slicked it back, okay? Then I will show you, as I turn around here, you want to tighten every single knot while pulling out the hair. Just taking every elastic part and just pulling out. And obviously, double check my front, make sure that's looking good. And there you have a cute little braid that you can do. It looks messy and cute, like it looks like you tried but you didn't try. Like, I just love it. If you have hair extensions, you can also add those in to give yourself some more length. I have clip-in hair extensions and they work great for that. And like I said, these little sticky guys, I don't really mind them so much. If you did mind them, you can easily take a bobby pin or some hairspray and kind of disguise those in there. So that does it for this tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you want to see more like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so, so much for being here. And I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year to you guys. Bye.